I got this for $100. It's a Husqvarna YTH 21K46. It has a Kohler Courage 21 horsepower engine on it, a triple bagger 1, 2, 3 bags, a hydrostatic transmission. It's got 337 hours on it. It runs, it moves, it mows. The only problem is it is loud. And I mean loud. For comparison here, this is the sound of the pressure washer. Needless to say, it is a very loud machine, and we got to get that muffler changed out. So let's get that done. I still have cleaning to do? Like, come on. So I suspect that is our problem area, and it's not going down into the muffler because it's just getting blasted. Oh no, found it. Oh, buddy, that's way easier than I expected. I thought I was gonna have to do the whole muffler on, take that off. No. It's just the pipe. We'll head into our box of goodies and see what we have from the days of yore. What's this? What's this? Okay, the shape is very different. The shape is very different. Does the shape matter? 6, not 7, right? I guess in theory I could weld this entire thing back. And then theory is just, thank you, man. Chop this, give it a good weld around the entire thing and run it. Please excuse the mess. It's under construction, all right? Now that my angle is right, I'm just gonna mark it with a Sharpie. Just take these real quick, match up these lines, tack it together, and then fill in the rest of the gaps. So I did a pretty okay job. I could definitely do better, and there's plenty of boogers on the inside. And the real test is gonna be, does it still fit? When you go to put these back in, you just gotta do it at a little bit of an angle and then twist it in. And I couldn't be happier with that fit. Could not be happier. I'm very proud of my handiwork. 37 and a half. I'm very happy with this. So I'll hang on to it for a week and then it's going. 'Tis the season, baby. Leaves are about to start falling. Peace.